Control number 42329, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Ludi Patrigone, 45 years old, single. I have one brother and one sister. I am the eldest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate in St. Joseph Academy.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I work for Hong Kong for myself and to help for my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I work for UAE as a domestic helper in 2 years. Also in Oman, 2 years as also domestic helper.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
I don't have yet experience, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
I don't have yet experience, but I'm willing to learn.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, sewing, and baking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food, steamed fish, veggie. Also, Filipino food can I cook adobo, menudo, and Western I can cook spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm just hardworking, honesty, and trustworthy.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
Say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They will treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Sir, ma'am, if ever you hire me, I'm not promise anything, but just I'll do my best to do my duties